witnessing the birth of a new Corvette owner.
It shuts the nitrous bottle off first before emerging through the birthing canal.
Slowly but surely, he will be able to get out through and into the sunlight and get his New Balances and shorts
And jorts.
and long socks. Eventually, good friends would help him, but it's much more fun to just film him. This is Miles of Mayhem.
Welcome to Heathen's Garage. It's day 2 of Miles of Mayhem. We're just gonna leave our little hotel, which is pretty nice, but the restaurant was overpriced. Other than that, we're headed to the racetrack. Well, we have arrived at Rad Torque Raceway in Edmonton. I'm going to pull the muffler off. Kyle's going to change his slicks. And when they call us, we're going to go race. I might try and take some videos and pictures and stuff. We'll see how that goes. We're just lined up and ready to race. Kyle's right behind us, which probably means we're not going to race Kyle, which is kind of too bad, but that's all right. I gotta get a helmet on because I'm way behind, because of course the GoPro didn't want to work, but that's just GoPro life, you know. Now that I've got a helmet on and it's hard to hear me, it's worth noting I did get the exhaust off in time for what that's worth, which might be worth nothing, we'll see. Really hot in this thing. We're not gonna run buddy Kyle, but we're definitely gonna, like, you're gonna get to watch that dart go right away. Like, it's just, you're gonna see it and it's gonna be gone. So that's pretty cool. You'll get to watch something fast. Like, it's not me. But that dart, it's gonna be gone. As per normal. Our ultimate goal with staging is to just not double bulb the other guy, because this is, I don't know, like, it's got a hard brake pedal and it's hard to stop. All right, open for 9. Open for 9. Disappointed with that, but I'm not one of them.
off that line nice and clean. That.
But how was that dart, hey? It was just gone, wasn't it? And I'll tell you something else. Transmission, it is just everything that it's supposed to do, it does now. It's like it shifts bang on when you hit the shifter. It didn't hesitate into third gear. It's just, everything's working flawless. I wish it had a torque converter that could build some boost. That'd be really good. And I wish I would have got to see what Kyle ran.
Hey, Paul.
971, 80 miles an hour. That's about what it runs. Most importantly, Kyle ran what he was supposed to run, which was a 10.3, which basically means it's okay. It's doing the same thing as it did yesterday, same mile an hour. Everything's gonna be fine. Which means it's time to turn the boost up, and hopefully we can convince him to do that.
Spoiler alert, we didn't convince him to turn the boost up.
This thing's leaving so soft, I don't think it can hurt itself, so kind of thought, why don't we do another pass? Just see if we can't click off a little faster. So we haven't done anything. We're just gonna try and load it up on the converter a little more and see if it'll spike a little higher. And I don't know, see what happens, I guess. There's like nobody here. We're just gonna basically go straight into the lanes here. With two 9.7 passes back to back, and me being unwilling to turn up the boost because we're already at 85% of the injector duty cycle, that concludes our racing of day number 2. Now we got a shorter road trip over to the Sunnybrook Hotel and then off to Rimbey, except we'll go home because I'd like to go home, and we can. Now the good news is, with us running a 970, we will likely have secured our place in third. From the bottom, but third nonetheless. So we're pretty excited about that. That's much better than the bottom. our destination, grabbed a bite to eat. Now we're carrying on. We're headed straight home. We've officially made it back to the house. I've changed my clothes and I feel less sweaty. We have a few little maintenance items on the Jeep that need attended to. So here's a problem. We've clearly got a coolant leak going on there. That's not great. We blew the gasket out of here, so that was a big old boost leak. I think I have a new one. The old one is, long gone. And we're gonna flush the cooling system again, because, we've got a hose and things here. So that's what we're gonna tackle. So in the process of fixing the old thermostat leak, I noticed that my bypass hose was kinking over. So I decided to replace it. Then my new bypass hose was also kinking over because I guess it's supposed to be a molded hose. But I've come up with a solution. See, now it's got some spine to it. You can buy like springs that go around, but I have zip ties and it seems to be working. Well, I definitely got distracted deciding I should wire in a launch retard right now, which probably won't do anything because I can't get the converter to stall more than about 1800 RPM, but you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. Anyways, that's a wrap for day 2. We'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.